Matthew 28, 1, 20. Matthew 28, 1. Now after the Sabbath, toward the dawn of the first day of the week, Mary Magdalene and the other Mary went to see the tomb. Matthew 28, 2. And behold, there was a great earthquake, for an angel of the Lord descended from heaven and came and rolled back the stone and sat on it. Matthew 28, 3. His appearance was like lightning, and his clothing white as snow. Matthew 28, 4. And for fear of him the guards trembled and became like dead men. Matthew 28, 5. But the angel said to the women, Do not be afraid, for I know that you seek Jesus who was crucified. Matthew 28, 6. He is not here, for he has risen, as he said. Come, see the place where he lay. Matthew 28, 7. Then go quickly and tell his disciples that he has risen from the dead, and behold, he is going before you to Galilee, there you will see him. See, I have told you. Matthew 28, 8. So they departed quickly from the tomb with fear and great joy, and ran to tell his disciples. Matthew 28, 9. And behold, Jesus met them and said, Greetings. And they came up and took hold of his feet and worshipped him. Matthew 28, 10. Then Jesus said to them, Do not be afraid, go and tell my brothers to go to Galilee, and there they will see me. Matthew 28, 11. While they were going, behold, some of the guard went into the city and told the chief priests all that had taken place. Matthew 28, 12. And when they had assembled with the elders and taken counsel, they gave a sufficient sum of money to the soldiers. Matthew 28, 13. And said, Tell people, his disciples came by night and stole him away while we were asleep. Matthew 28, 14. And if this comes to the gunner's ears, we will satisfy him and keep you out of trouble. Matthew 28, 15. So they took the money and did as they were directed. And this story has been spread among the Jews to this day. Matthew 28, 16. Now the 11 disciples went to Galilee, to the mountain to which Jesus had directed them. Matthew 28, 17. And when they saw him they worshipped him, but some doubted. Matthew 28, 18. And Jesus came and said to them, All authority in heaven and on earth has been given to me. Matthew 28, 19. Go therefore and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Matthew 28, 20. Teaching them to observe all that I have commanded you. And behold, I am with you always, to the end of the age.